Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the PHPMyAdmin access denied error. First of all, you'll need to go to Files. In the local disk, you'll have this one. Click on it, double click. Then we will see PHPMyAdmin. And you'll go on this one, Configuration. It will open a code in Visual Studio Code. So the first mode is, if you do remember your password, just put your password over here and you can change the username, but I will leave it like that because mine is root. But if you have another one and you remember the password, just type it over here. Mine is this one and it will work. Another way you can do is to open the control panel and configure it. So go to MySQL, okay, configuration, MyINI. Alright, so on this one you'll try and you'll check for MySQL server and just type skip grant tables. What we will do is it will fix the error. If this video has helped you, please give it a like and subscribe, and don't forget to come back to our channel. Thank you.